Welcome to Twin Talk, where two sisters who love to talk about everything.
Hi guys, we're at Cook's Dairy Farm, Ortonville, Michigan.
Then what does that sign say? Can you guys go run up there and then tell me what the rules are? What does it say?
Farm animals.
And there's hand sanitizer.
I'll sanitize again.
DJ Kyle.
Aw, man, look at that one. Going up saying hi to you. Say hi, yeah. That's why you hand sanitized.
But I gotta keep
What does the cow feel like? Or the baby calf, rather.
Kind of like
This one
a dog,
feels
a short-haired dog.
Yeah. What do you think of petting the calves, babe? McKenna, what did you find?
Twin baby cows.
Aw, where are they at? What? Hi, ma'am. Girls, you want to show your earrings? Ooh, beautiful. Where did you get those?
We got them at a festival.
And not too far from here, called Canterbury Village in Lake Orion up in Michigan. Mad, can I see your pretty ducky earrings? Ooh.
These are the babies.
And then what's over that way? Can you show me?
Yep.
What is it? What's over here?
These are the big cows.
The moms and the dads?
The only one I didn't get the cow is that one.
Aw, is that one hiding? Here, come on, Kenny. Tell your sister.
Why the mama cows can't be with the baby cows?
So this place was free to get into, and then when we're done, we get to get ice cream. What's it smell like?
Can we pet those cows?
Smell like a farm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at all these. There's some over here, girls.
Hi, this black one right here might be a dad.
It might be the big cow. Hi, buddy.
That one missed. I'll be careful with that one. I think the baby's like Lely. I'll be careful with. That one loves
names
it.
on it,
This one.
on their collars. That's Lily. Yeah.
Oh.
Some big old piggies. Someone's getting messy. I hear
Ugh.
splish splashing.
These are being gross.
Piggies like being messy.
Ew, and they drink that.
Ah. Look, there's Wilbur from Charlotte's Web.
Where? My mom realized that they're not named Lily. It's just the name of their car.
All their collars have that name on it.
Then,
Yeah.
yeah, that was stupid. Ew, that was stupid.
milking the cows.
They're milking the cows.
Yeah. Wow, that's crazy.
Fresh ice cream. Do you think it hurts?
That's crazy. Look at that.
No.
And watch it all. There's that Lelly, so that's the brand.
Do you think it hurts for them?
Lelly Astronaut.
It says cooks farm dairy ice cream.
Do you guys like ice cream?